Hey babe, where you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Second semi-final, MTN 8, Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium. Golden Arrows, Yamba ne advantage. By Invengos better like Sundowns. Win away from home for Golden Arrows. Sundowns, they never lose at home. Good matches at Betway Premiership. And also in cup games. The last time Sundowns, Puma MTN 8 semi-finals,
Orlando Pirates.
No, I'm saying it was a draw. If you remember last
No,
season.
but umasiya kuma penalty it's a loss because
I know.
Pirates it was the winner kuma penalty.
Yeah.
Khona lapha Masterpieces.
I understand, but I'm saying it's rare into why Sundowns lose away from home. I mean, home at home.
Only the defending champions can beat Mamelodi Sundowns kuma cup games.
Okay. Unisafana ngafuni yakho wala mhlobo but ke ngolomdlalo we-MTN 8
Yeah.
if second semi-final second leg saya Durban abanye basaya Orlando Stadium bonakala ngathi sizabanzima mhlobo wami away teams is winning this weekend
Yeah.
home teams as winning 1 goal scored only 2 goals
Izolo qeda kuwina team yaka Malume namhlanje kuwina team yaka Anti. So kunzima mngani wami. Ama team adlala away winile mngani wami.
okay ufast one beat le ndawo kaMalume no Anti ndiyayiva ke Obviously masithathe mhlobo wami Sundowns and Golden Arrows mandikubulise kodwa qala mhlobo wami ndakubona right umdlalo namhlanje ubone kanjani
Nganami ngiright kakhulu ithi ngibulise amadoda la studio Dashane. Shane uyasazi lesisho esithi tshano bulelo vuswa mlilo Shane.
hey mhlobo wami nanti sesixhosa
Tshano bulelo vuswa mlilo Shane. If i defense Sundowns ilela uDion uzoyivusa. Ngikhulumile la ngitshela uMestenkeu Monday even nakuma prediction wale MTN 8 I told him man ngoDion ngathi the way ngibona i-defense ye-Sundowns ingakhona Shane uma ingathola abadlali abafana nabo Dion 1 chance 1 goal bathola ama results baphuma eLucas. That's how you play if mhlawumbe we striker sometimes Shane you analyze the opponent odlala nayo so ithi nikeze i-Golden Arrows Shane ekudeserve well done to Golden Arrows. I think they played very well Shane. Poor performance kuma Mamelodi Sundowns today. I-Golden Arrows I think benze kahle kuwonke ama department.
into labayenze kahle exactly mhlobo wami namhlanje Golden Arrows
From number 1 Shane I think uma ungabheka ukulimala kwa goalkeeper we-Golden Arrows kubuye umbanjwa. I think nako logo it's a blessing in discuss because umbanjwa it's someone engimaziyo ukuthi it's also good. I'm not saying goalkeeper number 1 wabo this season akekho right but uma ungabheka even the defense ye-Golden Arrows they did very well Shane. The midfield uma ungabheka yes angeke umbone ngale ndlela uzwane but uma ungabheka the way i-Golden Arrows bedlala ngakhona ku midfield there's a player abambiza uGasa akusibo bonke abogasa abajajayo kuphela ba right kunomunye umdlali bathi uGasa I think iSundowns yamazi Shane. That boy wenza umsebenzi wabo uyazi Shane into angichaza ngayo uboy ungichaza ngento e1 uyazi ukuthi okay lo muntu odlala right back akekho good ngapha ku left simple uthatha ibhola ukhatha in and kunamabhola Shane ngicaka ukuthi umqondo bo right unfortunately akazange mhlawumbe abe ku target but Golden Arrows for me I think benze kahle the game plan benze ne game plan yabi basebenzele Shane ukuthi bangabhayiziseki Shane uma ungabheka the way iGolden Arrows beyidlala ngakhona ngicabanga ukuthi bebazi ukuthi leya defense aboshezi namhlanje bebangasibadlala baya more going forward uma ngathi uyayibheka leya defense yabo ngicabanga ukuthi beyiready noma ngabe yini ukuthi bangayenza because ngibone bawina amabhola amaningi kakhulu la khona ngibona umthiba yes first half kubonakale iSundowns benama chances ukuthi they can score because bebenza ama mistake lapho nalapho but those couple of mistakes ngicabanga ukuthi yila iSundowns bekumele capitalize khona but they failed to do that but Golden Arrows ba regroup ababona ukuthi kunamaphutha abawenzayo lawo maphutha lawa enze ukuthi ekugcineni bona bakwazi ukustructure ya defense nale ya midfield yabo ukuthi you know what guys let's try asimani silikhahlele kuphela let's try to play because the way bebanga khona be Golden Arrows Shane bebangasabi nalokudlala even though mhlawumbe bebangabonaki kuyi-team edominator mhlawumbe ngalawo maphasi but bebangasabi ukudlala even naleya defense because bengicabanga ukuthi kungaba yi-team ukuthi izofuna ukuthi noma inikeze i-Sundowns i-ball position uma balwina balikhabe but they understand ukuthi okay kuno-Dion up front uDion ufuna ukuthi kuyenze njani kube abomaxhwele abosithole abadlali abajoyinayo ukuthi bayithola uDion up front njengoba ubonile leya pass le goal abalishayile ukuthi baceda ukuluza beMamelodi Sundowns baleka leyo aggressive shane ukuthi badlali beSundowns bangaba aggressive ukuthi ba recover uma baluza ibhola they just look at umdlala win ibhola all of a sudden umdlali shane wenzani uya counter bambhekile so I was like no kusho kona ukuthi iSundowns ayikho aggressive especially ku recovery uma ngabe baluza ibhola so Golden Arrows they did well bona because uma ungabheka shane their pass good run for uDion poor defense from Mamelodi Sundowns. You don't allow a striker ukuthi singaphuma kuleya bhola. Sometimes abanye abo goalkeeper abanokuphuma shane balihlangabezele la bhola. But uma ungathi uyabheka leya defense yakakhoza no Johannes namanje ngisasho if iSundowns izochubeka ngaleya defense izoba ne problem because ayikho understanding kulabadlali about 2. So ngicabanga ukuthi mina shane for iGolden Arrows badlale kahle shane ngoku-understanda ukuthi badlala i-cup games badlala away kuleya cup game into abayifunayo ukuthi bangabi more ku-attack baphume sometimes mhlawumbe uma bafuna ukuphuma ngalawo ma-counter attack and ibasebenzele lento because at the end of the day bakwazile ukuthi bakwazi nokumanage igame even though kuyi-1-0 but bakwazi ukumanage igame baphume nama-results a-positive shane.
Kubonakala ngathi the new coaches zabo iGolden Arrows bafocus kakhulu kwindaba ye-defense ye-Arrows because it seems like they hardly concede because if you remember their last big game against Chiefs, they won 1-0. Solid defense, even namhlanje. Even though Sundowns had a couple of half chances to score, but you could see if defense Arrows, I find in the defense Arrows again last season. But there's improvement about defending this season. Bonakala foot na conceding.
And Shane by rotate kuleya defense. Bheka namhlanje uJian beka ngeko captain uGolden Arrows. But amachita afikile aboshabalala kuleya defense bafike benza ngcono futhi because of I think yilento mhlawumbe coach akwazi ukuthi unabadlali ngicabanga ukuthi le system ayidlalayo if mhlawumbe aboJian nabekho khona abadlali abengenza ngcono kuleya position but njengoba ngisho Shane ngithi i-game plan iyebalekile ukuthi sifuna ukudlala kanjani and njengoba wazi ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns defense slowly Shane kumele uplan ukuthi mangabe ngikwazi ukuthi ngiabsorb leya pressure eza neMamelodi Sundowns yini kumele ngikwenze mina uma ngabe ngiwin ibhola but for bona ngicabanga ukuthi coach uze ne game plan yakhe yamsebenzela bathola ama results well done to Golden Arrows if ichubeka idlala ngalendlela ngibona iGolden Arrows kuba lula for bona iba nama chances yokuthi ngayidlala ifinal ya MTN8 if izochubeka idlala the way ngibona idlala ngakhona because uma ukwazi ukudlala away ngendlela udlala ngakhona kusho ukuthi uzokwazi ukuabsorb leya pressure uma udlala ekhaya and ila khona ngicabanga ukuthi if Mamelodi Sundowns izoza because of ifuna equalizer remember now if Golden Arrows ingascore igoli eli-1 kudinga iSundowns ishaye 3 goals ukuthi uyodlala ifinal ngaphandle kwaloko kusho kona ukuthi Golden Arrows even if Sundowns they can score 2 goals Golden Arrows inama chances so for me I think Machita the boys they played very well man Golden Arrows Shane ngicabanga ukuthi bayadeserve lama results abatholile bayawadeserve because basebenze ngegame plan basebenze as a team at the end of the day because uma ungabheka outside le Mamelodi Sundowns they tried to coach ukuletha lawo ma-sub but lawo ma-sub uma ungabheka awazange asebenze because besawadinga amabhola walethe eboxini and you see some of the strikers abafana nabo Leon baba frustrated if ibhola mhlamba balitholi so ngicabanga ukuthi only mkhulisi man kulawo masaphe ngicabanga ukuthi cishe wenza into engicabanga ukuthi wenze ngcono kula manje but uma ungabheka iside la kaMrene mabakhipha uNdlovu he was quiet today uNdlovu I think Shane kumele ulisho the way Golden Arrows iplaying ngakhona ubuya ku Golden Arrows bengicabanga ukuthi mhlamba uma ngaba khona kuleya team khona ngakwenza but akazange abonakala uGajeni today akhona ama game afike ngawe ze sub ungazi usho ukuthi kunabanye abadlali sometimes kumele ubanike ichance beze ngalama sub ubone ukuthi bakuphathelana like abomkhulisi bombheke uma aqala ne match sometimes akakunikeza lento azokunikeza yona if abuye benchini so ngicabanga ukuthi Golden Arrows Shane idlale kahle kakhulu yaze yathola lama results ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi deserve ukuthi uyathole Shane
good striking force Bobzin
yeah.
You can I no Junior previously kwenye video he says he prefers ukuthi uReynas aqale ahead of uLebo Motiba. But the coach Cardoso always has some games where aqala ngayo uLebo Motiba. I remember, if I'm not mistaken, you can correct me, there was a game you played against Ipolokwane City.
Yeah.
where he assisted Allende scored in that game.
Yeah.
Did he start Motiba that game, if I'm not mistaken?
Ngathi wangena ngesub.
Okay, that's the second half.
ngathi wangena
Yeah,
ngesub.
but
If
there are
I'm
games
right.
where he will feel, even last season, where he just start to Motiba. But I saw games in Nains. Naleya namhlanje, he started with Motiba, leaving Urenas on the bench. What do you think, Coach Cardoso, ufuna achieve Andoni by starting Motiba ahead of Ikram Urenas?
I think now Shane uma ungabheka kulesa striking force Sundowns akukho lula ngaleyo ndlela because it's hardly ukuthola ama chances behind the defense. We understand. And ama strikers we Sundowns the most mawathi uyabheka are good especially ukattacker ama crosses kulesa space mhlambe in between kulama defense or behind the defense. So uma ungabheka no Rhinas is good when i-team mhlambe idlala i-mid block or mhlambe ifuna ukudlala i-high line, you understand. But if you're told i-team mhlambe idlala le-low block aba-organized ukuthi uma lose i-ball position they regroup quick ukuvala lesa space behind the defense. It's difficult for ama-strikers we-Sundown. So that is why maybe now when he introduce Mutiba ukuthi uyazi ukuthi i-team akusilula ukuthi iphume lapha emuva. So Mutiba will stay kulesa striking force so that kube khona abadlali abafana nabo Mayilula nabo Bennett Mkwena to join uLebo Mthiba kule striking force, because if you will rely kulabadlali mkhambo ucabanga ukuthi uzosuka lapha drop ibhola afika attach ibhola join iboxing kuba difficult for lo emdlalo ukuthi angathola ama chances. That is why Leon is struggling now ukudlala because ayisekho le supply ezokwazi ukuletha lamabhola mhlambe ngalawo ama crosses mhlambe walethe behind the defense or la kulama pockets ukuthi kuzoba nabadlali abazo is difficult. So ama team ane game plan yawo manje when they play Sundown. So for yena it's difficult change njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ukuthi angaletha lawo ma strikers njengoba ngisho because the space abasitholi. So Mthiba maybe mina ngendlela ngimbona ngakhona it was a plan ukuthi ithi ngilethe Mthiba today ngikwazi ukuthi ngizodinga abadlali abazomjoyina angeka shift eboxing because you know Mthiba umdlali is a box striker umuntu lapha now itholile i-chance walmista ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe Mcondo bo right good save for goalkeeper kulela bhola. So ngicabanga Shane sometimes unokuthi wenze izinto ngendlela right but uthola ukuthi umunye umuntu enze right njengo goalkeeper uArrows kule save. I think he did very well akusiba ngaki ukuthi ungasave ama 1v1. So ngicabanga ukuthi for Coach Cardoso ngileyo Shane into ongayisho but Sundowns Shane they were poor today man kuma department amaningi kakhulu uma ungabheka. And also there's a boy man yazi outtime ngifrustana kakhulu Aubrey Obas ngicabanga ukuthi sometimes banu pick up ama unnecessary yellow card and those unnecessary yellow card ikwenza udlale kanzima Shane because at the end of the day you'll make a coach ukuthi azama ukuprotect akudonse because so ne yellow card and now if ungathola second yellow it's minus kuye. So ngicabanga ukuthi exactly amanye ama yellow card ungabheka kumele wabheke ukuthi niwathola kanjani unlike labo Allen will understand ukuthi sometimes u referee naye kunama mistake because if isanda position I don't think ukuthi you deserve a yellow card you understand that. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane izinto esifana nalezi lezi sometimes affecta i-game plan ka coach but for yena Coach Cardoso into enginomnikeza yona mina credit ukuthi unikeza amanye ama players a chance to play because if you are not playing these guys abahleze ebenchini sizokubuza ukuthi why ungabadlalisi. So now lamajito mangabe coach banikeza i-chance abayigrab Shane ababonise something because most of the time badlala lama Nedbank Cup lama trophy lafana nalawo uletha abanye abadlali but bafike bangenzi mhlawumbe the way ucaba ukuthi bangenza ngakhona and nakho lokho kuya affect the team because iyafuna uwina ama trophies Shane.
Bobuseni masivale mhlaba masivale so dibana ngolwesibini. There's a game on Tuesday and also on Wednesday but sabina sibuya ngayi M108 next week.
Dlala Tuesday
it's a second round. It's Orlando Pirates up against Sekhukhune,
the defending champion.
Bobuseni masivale mhlaba masivale. Yeah, Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium second leg. I mean first leg where M108 second semi-final. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 0 Golden Arrows 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.